Guys, I'm sorry about this poor video recording. I'm just recording it, working and recording myself. So just bear with me. Soon I'll get something. Uh, we'll come out with more professional videos and everything. But the most important thing is, you guys, everybody, learn how to do these things. The information is very important. Information is wealth. So I want you guys look at this, and then probably you can just, if you have a plant like this at home, you can trim yourself and make it look tidy and make the garden look beautiful. Retired people at home, if you've got nothing to do, you can do this. It's a very good exercise, good for your body, good for your mind, good for your soul. Even watching doing this is also good for the mind and the soul, because garden is never boring. I love this, and I'm doing this for the past almost 35 years, and until today I'm not bored. It's like a passion to me. I really enjoy doing this gardening work. So I'm in the verge of like retiring, so I thought of making some videos to pass my time as well. So that's the reason why I'm doing this video. At the same time, you guys can also see how I'm doing it, and then probably if you like it, you can do it this way. There's many ways to skin a cat, they say. So there's many ways to do it. This is one of the ways, and this is for like home gardens. You can do it. I know most of you have this plant, very easy to grow. This is called the variegated agave. Grows in the tropical countries a lot, but it also grows in Australia too. So I can find a lot of this one. There's another variety, which is a green variety. I'll show you afterwards. But this is the variegated. They've got a beautiful flower. It flowers like very randomly, probably in 5 years. So if you have a big garden, think of having one like this at your garden. It's very nice. Big garden, you take up space, doesn't need any maintenance. I'm going to cut this bottom one so it looks tidy and clean at the bottom, so you can see the base. And then later, if you want to mulch this place, you can also mulch it. After cutting, if you think the cut is not clean, sharp cut, you can always give it another shape. Another baby plant. Another plant, another big one inside there. I'm going to cut this one too because it's blocking the other plants next to it. Okay guys, it's almost done. Just a bit on the other side here. Oh, there's another stone here. It's hurting me. Okay, it's all completed guys. See how it looks. So this is how you trim the agave. Hope you enjoyed this video, and then please subscribe to my channel and please like and share. Thank you guys. Until we see you in the next video.